Today we're going to draw and color a super shiny apple. So grab your pencils and colors, and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw a semicircle for the apple slice. And add a seed inside. Then I draw the apple body on the side. After that, I add the stem and a leaf on top. Now it's time to color. First, I use black for the apple seed. Then I use gray for the inside of the apple slice. Next, I use red to color all the body of the apple. Finally, I use green for the stem and leaf to make it look fresh and shiny. And that's it. Our apple is ready, so bright and yummy. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art.